Apple is examining ghost touches on the display of the Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, as confirmed in an internal memo. The Apple Watch display is the primary interface, but users may mistakenly touch it to access menus or functionalities. Some consumers appear to be experiencing a problem with their devices that prevent such interactions. According to an internal note sent to Apple authorized service providers and obtained by Mac Rumors, Apple is aware of a touch issue that affects certain current generation Apple Watch models. According to the statement, some users may experience ghost touches on their Apple Watch Series 9 or Apple Watch Ultra 2 displays. This manifests as the Apple Watch active.